Welcome to SmarCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions.
Yeah, we basically do the heavy lifting of reading the reviews, so, you don't have to.
Exactly. And just a quick note before we start, the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description. So today we are doing a deep dive into the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fry Oven.
Right, the FO101.
Yeah, that's the one. Your mission for this session is to figure out if this $280 10-in-1 countertop appliance can actually replace your traditional oven, or if it's just, another bulky gadget destined to collect dust.
It's a huge claim. I mean, thinking about entirely ditching that massive metal box taking up half your kitchen. But the specs are really interesting. You've got a 20.3 quart capacity and those unique one-handed French doors.
Those doors are pretty slick, honestly. But we need to look past the exterior. How does it actually perform?
Well, the big secret here is the 450-degree cyclonic air. It is not just a heating element glowing at the bottom of a box. Because the air is cyclonic, it's essentially creating a tiny wind tunnel inside the oven.
Right, a wind tunnel.
Yeah. It actively strips away the microscopic layer of cold air that sits around your food, so you get heat transferred directly to the surface instantly. That is how it promises 60% faster cooking.
And you don't even have to rotate the food, because I feel like that is always the most annoying part of using an air fryer.
Exactly. No rotating at all. And because of the physics involved with heating a smaller space, users are seeing a really crazy 75-second preheat time.
Oh, yeah, the 75-second preheat. When I first read that, I was like, this has to be a complete marketing gimmick. How do you heat an oven to 450 degrees in under 2 minutes without blowing a fuse?
It sounds fake, right? But it comes down entirely to physics and volume. You are heating a tiny fraction of the cubic space of a standard oven. That highly insulated interior just traps the heat immediately. You save serious time, and you avoid leaking all that ambient heat into your kitchen just to, bake a few pieces of chicken.
Which is a huge plus. So the physics guarantee it heats up fast. But let's see how that actually translates to your average Tuesday night dinner routine. We looked at a specific strategy from a buyer named Gabriel.
Oh, the guy who completely replaced his broken traditional oven with this unit.
Yeah, he just fully committed to it. And he shared a really crucial pro tip. He said you have to drop your usual baking recipes by 25 degrees.
Right, and reduce the cook time by 15%.
Exactly. It's like driving a sports car compared to the minivan of a standard oven. It just handles faster and tighter.
That is a perfect analogy. But the real question is, if speed is the sports car, does it lack the cargo space?
Well, before we look at the space, let's talk about food quality. We have this great anecdote from a buyer named Mamie. She achieved incredibly crispy, completely grease-free fried chicken wings.
Oh, wow. And she just used cornstarch for that, right?
Yeah, just cornstarch. No deep fryer needed at all. She even managed to take flank steak, which is usually super tough, and cook it to filet mignon level tenderness.
I mean, that cornstarch trick makes perfect sense given the mechanics. That high cyclonic heat instantly dries out the starch on the surface, creating a crust without needing a vat of oil.
Totally. But here is where your sports car analogy hits a speed bump. A buyer going by German 106 pointed out a pretty critical functional limit.
Right, the vertical clearance issue.
Yeah, so the included air fry basket is a generous 5 quarts, but you cannot easily use it at the exact same time as the grill pan if your food items are tall.
Wait, so if you were trying to roast a whole chicken on one rack and air fried tall potato wedges on the other, they just smash into each other.
Precisely. The vertical clearance is tight. So while the machine itself is lightning fast, you are still going to find yourself juggling batches if you cook multi-component dinners with taller ingredients.
That is a really important reality check. It's all about matching the tool to your daily routine. You are optimizing for the 95% of meals you actually cook rather than the 5% of massive holiday feasts.
Exactly. So what does this all mean for you? Ultimately, this is a massive time saver. It features a PFAS-free, non-toxic cooking surface and dishwasher-safe parts, making it perfect for daily use, even if it can't handle a Thanksgiving turkey.
Yeah, it's a huge shift in how we think about making dinner.
Which brings us right back to that giant, heat-leaking metal box sitting in your kitchen right now. As countertop appliances become this incredibly fast, efficient, and versatile, are giant built-in traditional ovens destined to become obsolete relics in the kitchens of tomorrow.
It's definitely a provocative thought to leave you with.
You've been listening to SmarCart YouTube channel.
where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press the bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets. One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.